So hi, I'm Bruce from Fast Bikes and I'm here with Paul from Black and White Bikes, who's going to be showing us how to service our brakes. But before we start, a few quick short questions. So firstly, Paul, how often should you service your brakes and what typically goes wrong with them?
Well, of course, servicing brakes, how often, it depends on the mileage that you're doing, but most people normally on a road bike would service their brakes once a year. All of our standard servicing packages that we do here always include a brake service. So it's a critical part of the bike. As much as you want to go fast, you need to be able to stop. So it's important to service them. What goes wrong with them? Well, the fluid needs changing in them regularly because it's hygroscopic, so it absorbs water, so your performance is going to drop. Your pads wear out. As the pads wear out, you're going to be introducing muck and filth into the calipers, affecting the seals, so we need to clean them all up down there. Get the pistons moving, make sure, check in that all the pistons are moving the same, and making sure that our brake performance is working all the time. So that's what we do.
Fantastic. Okay, so we're going to get stuck in now and service this CBR 600's brakes, and you can follow that through in the magazine next issue, so make sure to check it out.